busy parents. Today, we're exploring a modern dilemma. Can a second income truly balance our hectic lives? But here's a twist. What if it's not just about the money, but also about enriching our family life creatively and emotionally? Imagine transforming your side hustle into a family project where even your kids contribute ideas. It's not just an income, it's a journey of learning and bonding. Or picture a scenario where your additional income funds not just childcare, but unique family experiences, turning financial stability into memorable adventures. Yet the question lingers. Does a second income mean less precious time with your children? What if it's the opposite? What if this challenge sparks a whole new level of efficiency and shared responsibility within the family? This is not just a choice between financial gain and family time. It's an opportunity to innovate, to reimagine what family and work mean to us. And here's a thought. Could this journey towards a second income unlock hidden talents and passions within you and your children? Before you decide, let's delve deeper. The Busy Parents Blueprint is not just a guide. It's a treasure trove of strategies and insights for parents like you navigating these complex decisions. It offers unique perspectives on balancing work, income, and family life. Ready to explore new possibilities? Click the link below to download your copy of The Busy Parents Blueprint. Transform the way you think about work, income, and family life. Subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening content. Together, let's redefine the meaning of balance.